Before we begin the Exploring Deployment Options section of the lab, let's use the OC explain command to take a look at the specifications of a deployment and see what we can adjust. To see the parameters that we can adjust under the spec field, I'm going to run OC explain deployment.spec. Now I'm going to navigate to the web console and find my RocketChat deployment. From here, I'm going to click on the Replica Sets tab. Next, I'm going to sort by the time and date created and open my latest replica set here. If I go into the YAML tab, I can view the YAML configuration of this particular replica set. Next, I'm going to navigate back to my RocketChat deployment and click on the YAML tab. From here, I'm going to change the deployment strategy for my application. I'm going to change the strategy type to recreate and remove these fields to do with rolling update from below. Then make sure to save. Next, I'm going to make a small change to my deployment to trigger a redeployment, and in this case, we're just creating a new test environment variable. Now, as I navigate back to the topology view, we can view what's happening with our application with this new deployment strategy. Rather than first creating a new pod, as would have happened with the rolling deployment strategy, we can see in the pod status that first our existing pod was terminated under the new recreate strategy, and then the new pod was created.